Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. A hand router is useful when you need to route through wood or hard plastic. It can be modified with a variety of cutters, router bits, for edging and different cutting patterns. These are also powerful tools that cut really fast, even if you take the smallest model. In his book, The Incredible Router, Jeremy Brun says that routers are the most versatile tools in the world. Woodworking folk will call upon the best router when a multi-tool or oscillating hand tool is just not good enough. Spinning at 30,000 plus RPM, these specialist bits of machinery are designed to hollow out, trim or shape large areas in hard materials without causing the sort of friction that leads to workshop fires.
Number 3. DeWalt 618 Router.
When beginners ask me for a first router, I often point them to this DeWalt. Its simple twist-to-adjust fixed base, compact stance, and comfy grips make it easy to control, and it will handle almost anything you throw at it, except plunge cuts. With 12 amps of power and the ability to handle half-inch bits, it will deliver decades of smooth cuts in the toughest woods, making it a solid choice for experienced pros and hobbyists too. After my cordless trim router, the DeWalt 618 is the router I reach for next. With its 2.25 horsepower motor, the 618 is ideal for attaching directly to the underside of a router table.
Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Router.
As lithium-ion batteries grow more powerful and compact, more routers are cutting the cord, making these power tools much easier to handle. The Milwaukee M18 trim router is hands down the best cordless router I've tested, and I've tried most of them. While not quite as powerful as a full-size router, its brushless motor is incredibly strong and smooth, making the M18 my new favorite router. The 5 amp-hour battery let me route a deep profile on 60 feet of hard maple on a single charge, outdistancing the competition, while the low center of gravity keeps the tool steady on any surface. Better yet, Milwaukee offers 2 auxiliary bases for this compact powerhouse, one plunge and one offset, greatly expanding its capabilities.
Number 1. DeWalt DW618PKBR2401 Router, Fixed/Plunge Base Kit.
This does it all for under $200, making it a great buy for beginners and veterans alike. You get DeWalt's rock-solid fixed base and smooth plunge base in one kit, along with a powerful yet compact 2.25 horsepower motor, and both sizes of collets. It's all the routing power and capability you'll need for many years of woodworking. Everything performs as intended, including depth adjustments and bit changes. The only downside is that DeWalt seems to have switched from a separate 1/4-inch collet to a 1/4-inch adapter that inserts in the 1/2-inch collet, which is harder to tighten than a separate collet.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.